Hey there, it's Adam J, Nurse Numismatic, and today I've got a mail call video that's been a long time coming. Thanks to the Labor Day long weekend and the post office being closed, the anticipation was killing me. But guess what? These three packages finally arrived today, and I can't wait to share these incredible items with you. But before we dive into the treasure trove, you know the drill, folks. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and let's embark on this silver stacking and numismatic adventure together. First things first, let's unwrap these packages. These people really know how to package their goodies. Let's take a closer look at what we've got. Package number one is from the incredible Nash Landings. He heard I was on the hunt for some war nickels for our gumball bonus game, and within minutes he reached out with an offer I couldn't refuse. Not only did he give me a fantastic deal, but there's even an extra nickel in there. Nash, you're a legend. Next up, we've got a treasure trove from not one, not two, but three different auctions by Gold Sniping Farmer. And let me tell you, the haul is nothing short of amazing. First, feast your eyes on this beautiful 1881 ohm Morgan dollar in impeccable condition. It might just be the shiniest Morgan I've owned. It's got cartwheels, feathers, and all the great traits of a beautiful Morgan dollar. Alright, and next up, we've got a unique round that I haven't come across before, the Hunter. The detail on the obverse is breathtaking, with mountains, clouds, and more behind that Hunter. And the reverse features a couple of bison, the year 2017. This thing is really beautiful to look at. Now, I'm going to take a quick look at the serialized Nadir bar in the assay. I absolutely love these. I think the assay card adds a nice touch of flair to a regular bullion bar. Moving on next to the 2023 Lady Germania with a COA. Of course, only 25,000 of these beauties minted. You know I can't resist my Germania. The value of these is only going up. Plus, I love any beautiful piece of silver that comes with a COA, right? Anyway. Next up on this pile is a pair of 2002 American Silver Eagles in pristine condition. I think these might be my first 2002s. I've been throwing around the idea of putting together an ASE book, but I don't think my bank account wants me to start that adventure. Well, those are some ASEs. We all know what those look like. Next up, though, we have the Australian Silver Swan in the TEP. This is the 2022. It has the first strike PCGS designation, and it's beautiful. Every time I see that first strike TEP, though, it tempts me to send it in and get it graded. And last but not least, I scored almost a whole roll of Merc Dimes. You guessed it, these ones are going straight into the gumball machine for some numismatic fun. And hey, if you haven't checked out Gold Sniping Farmer's Tuesday auctions, you are missing out on some incredible deals. Though between us, maybe I shouldn't encourage you too much. I want those deals for myself. Just kidding. GSF is amazing, and I highly recommend showing him your support. But wait, there's a surprise for you if you stuck around until this part of the video. This last package is from the amazing Kevin Rose. While this package didn't include his channel sticker, I already have a couple. They are pretty sweet, and I even have both the 3-inch and that mini version. So from Kevin, I got these awesome silver foil and gold foil $100 notes. They're just so stunning, so beautiful to look at. And as a thank you for all of your support, I'm going to give away one of these silver ones during my Sunday night stream over on Ashley's Swag Fam's channel. Make sure you check out the description for the link. To enter the giveaway, though, you have to leave a comment on this video and make sure to include Silver Note in your comment. I'll randomly pick a winner during Smash It Sunday, but remember, you must be present to win. Oh, and don't spill the beans in the comments about the giveaway rules, but feel free to share this video with your friends and tell them to watch until the end for a chance to score one of these incredible notes. We're part of an amazing coin community, and folks like Nash Landings, GSF, and Kevin Rose are among the absolute best. So don't forget to subscribe to their channels, subscribe to mine, smash that like button, and all that good stuff. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's mail call video. Remember, just like in nursing, the key to success in silver stacking and numismatics is patience and attention to detail. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and until next time, happy collecting and may your stack keep growing. This is Adam J., Nurse Numismatic.